Hey, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath FX YouTube channel, and this ColtOS. Let me show you the settings. As you can see, this is the ColtOS 2021 Engima Redmi Note 7 Pro Android 11 and the latest build. This is, let me show you here. As you can see, this is the version 7.2 on the Violet. I'm in the Redmi Note 7 Pro based on Android 11 and 5th August 2021 latest security patch, and the August 23 build date and Excalibur plus kernel is given in this ROM. And if you're first time to this channel, hit down the subscribe down below and also allow the bell notification so that you will get similar kind of videos first to you. And this Sampath, you're watching Sampath FX YouTube channel. Let's begin this video. That's the ColtOS you get, and if you press here you get wallpaper section like this. You can choose. I'll choose here styles and wallpapers, and on device wallpapers you get only one. And you are listening the sounds. As you can see, this is the volume panel you get. You can edit this one also in the settings, and this is how the volume panel, and this is the quick settings panel you get. Here also you can edit here. As you can see, you can drag from here. Let me show you. You need to drag like this. This is the quick settings panel. All the features are working fine. For example, Wi-Fi, let me turn on, and Bluetooth, turning on, turning off, everything is working fine. The battery, you can even turn on the battery saver from here. Screen recorder option is also given. Let me show you. These all the options you get in the screen recorder option. Record audio, you can choose the type of audio you want to hear. Device audio, microphone audio, and microphone. And these all the settings you can get in the screen recording options. And coming to dialer, you get this OctaVivo type of dialer. Let me show you. You can directly get make video call option is available in this ROM, and recording option is also given. As you can see, you won't be noticed that the other person won't be noticed that it is recording. That feature is available in this ColtOS since it's using that Android dialer. Hence you are getting such kind of options, and you get this Metro Music player pre-installed in this ROM. And this is the navigation bar you get. If you want, you can choose the gesture setting. These are the apps I have installed, and this is the app drawer you get. And let me show you home settings. About here you get Launcher Alpha Pi 11.0 is pre-installed in this ROM. It's nice. If you press like this, you are going to get sounds, and this is how the Google Assistant is enabled. And coming to like Geekbench scores in this ROM, let me show you. Okay, I need to check it out. I will show at the end of the video. And coming to like the safety net status, as you can see, by default it get passed. Let me show you. As you can see, it's get passed. You can use payment applications like Google Pay, even the Yono SBI or any such kind of apps are working fine in this ROM. And let me straight away go into GFX tool and enable 60 FPS and press this enable. Open the game. And coming to graphics settings, as you can see, I have enabled using GFX tool, Smooth Extreme, even the HDR Extreme also enabled if you use GFX tool. If not, it's Smooth Plus Ultra and HD and High. The performance is really good in this ROM. I will be showing very soon the Geekbench scores. I thought I already run the scores, but at the end of the video I will be sharing the scores. And all the things are working fine. Even the DRM info you get level 1 certified. As you can see, you can watch the OTT platform contents, HD content. And coming to Google Go Gallery is installed, and here I have installed Nikita Gcam. If you want, you can try different types of Gcam ports. It's working fine, no problem even in the camera ports. If you want, you can even flash ANX camera also. That is also going to be work. And coming to performance and CPU throttling test, I used this smartphone with this ROM like almost 2 days already. It's fine actually. Even with VanillaOS and this in GApps version, both are working fine. The battery life is also going to be better in this ROM. Day by day it's going to be increasing, and the performance is good. You can try it as a gaming ROM, but not as a CorvusOS or any OxygenOS or MIUI builds. But this is definitely next to that ROMs. As you can see, I'll stop here. It's really good. The performance is really good. Based upon my experience, I'm telling this like next to those ROMs what I explained, but it's good. That you should definitely try it out, this ROM, because of its features. Let me show you. I'll enable this. Auto brightness sensor is also working fine, and here you get called Engima. Here you get these kind of settings, status bar settings. You get plenty of options here, and quick settings also you get plenty of options. And in the button settings you get volume steps, volume key, cursor control, reorient, show app volume, volume panel style, music control, volume rocker wave, volume diagonal timeout, volume panel on left or right. You can adjust here. Navigation bar is also given. System navigation, you can choose here gesture navigation, and by in the settings you can adjust the gesture bar length, and many settings are given. As you can see, haptic feedback also you can enable or disable from here on the gestures. This is really cool feature. Invert layout, pixel animation, those things are given in the navigation. Power menu you can choose here. Advanced restart also you can enable from here. And gesture settings I explained already. You get swipe to screenshot, brightness control, quick touch, and some of the double tap gestures also you can enable for your convenience. Ambient display is given. These are the options you get. Lock screen settings are also different here. You can choose the different animation while charging, and the charging speeds are also good with 10-watt charger. And the battery life I am going to explain very soon. And animations also you can change here. Plenty of options are available in this ROM. Notifications you can change here. Heads up, those things are given. Call to decorations, here you can choose the accent picker from here. Even the dark theme also you can enable from here. Or this is the boot animation you get on this Colt OS, which is really amazing. As you can see, animation is really good. This is a Colt OS Redmi Note 7 Pro Android 11 with August security patch and the August latest build with Android 11 only. And if you like the video, give it a like. And this is how the lock screen you get. And I was speaking about settings here. Colt Engima, you get Colt decoration, and miscellaneous settings you get gaming mode. Those settings are also given in this ROM. Alarm blocker, wake clock blocker, sensor block percentage, suspend action, radio info, those things are given in this ROM. These are the actual customization Colt Engima section. And coming to battery life, here it's really good. Trust me, the battery life is going to be good. The ideal battery drain is also just 1% in last 4 hours, which is really good. And smart charging option is given. Smart cutoff is also given. You can choose at what temperature and what percentage you can turn off the battery charging. And smart charging is given. Battery saver you get. Adaptive battery is also given. Battery temperature is also noticed. It's a little bit different than other stock type ROMs, which is really good in my opinion. In sound settings you get this kind of settings. Plenty of options are given here. You can choose from here. And privacy settings, as of now it's still Android 11 based only. You get all those kind of settings. And coming to security, you get screen lock, face unlock, app locker, and smart lock. Let me show you this fingerprint unlock. As you can see, it's very fast. Let me touch once again. It's very fast. Let me show you the face unlock. It's fast. It's working fine in this ROM. The security features are really good. You can definitely try it out as a daily driver in this ROM. Everything is working fine, no problem in this ROM. And even you get violet parts here. Xiaomi doze feature is also given. If you want, you can enable the ambient display and display color calibration, and this clear speaker and me sound enhancer. You can choose different type of earphone type, and even the preset also you can choose based upon your requirement. Those kind of things are given. Accessibility menu is also given, no problem in this ROM. This is a Colt OS on this Redmi Note 7 Pro. If you like the video, give it a like, and if you're first time to this channel, hit down the subscribe down below, and also follow the bell notification. And earpiece quality and using earphones, everything is working fine. Now I am going to show you the Geekbench 5 scores and the internet speeds. As you can see, just the Geekbench 5 scores, 497 single score and 1398 multi-score, which is really good. With this Excalibur Plus kernel, it's really good. And let me show you the speed test and end of this video. As you can see, I am here having 90, I am in 100 Mbps plan. I will be getting around 90 to 95 Mbps. With even, let me show you with mobile internet connection. It takes a little bit of time here. Okay, as you can see, I am getting 4G plus icon. It depends upon your network location. Sometimes I even don't get. This is how the speeds with mobile internet connection. It's fine with any other ROMs. How I am getting the same thing is in this ROM also. And thank you for watching this video. See you with another interesting video with another ROM. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.